Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by deburring and flattening the surface. Remove supports, cut close, then scrape seams. Use 120 grit to knock down blobs, then 220 to refine. Make steady, flat passes and check profile often. Once done, blow off dust with compressed air, then wipe with 70% 99% isopropyl. Make sure to dry fully. You do this to give fillers and primers a mechanical key and to prevent adhesion failure, so don't rush the initial sanding and cleaning. You now fill gaps. Spread a thin polyester or epoxy filler focusing on seams, cure fully, then sand flat. Repeat thin builds rather than one thick coat. That prevents sinking and long cure times. Once smooth, wet sand through 320, 400, then 600 grit. Use light pressure and keep the part cool because heat warps prints. After dusting, apply a high-build primer in 2-3 light passes, allowing a 10-15 minute flash. This evens out microtypography. You're ready to paint. Choose acrylic for ease or lacquer for hardness, then apply 2-4 thin base coats with 10-20% overlap, keeping a steady, sweeping motion. Let each coat flash, then wet sand with 800-1200 grit to remove orange peel. You want smoothness, not flatness. After final color, spray clear coat for protection. Follow cure times, usually 24-72 hours. If runs appear, sand to the run. Feather edges with 1200 grit, then recoat. That single troubleshooting step fixes most finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.